Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving deep into accent walls, sharing some valuable insights, tips, and tricks. So, if you're ready, then let's jump right in. Here are 9 awesome accent wall ideas that you'll love. 1. Geometric patterns. Try out geometric patterns on your accent wall. Think triangles, hexagons, or diamonds in vibrant colors that will make your room pop. 2. Nature-inspired murals. Bring the beauty of nature indoors with a stunning mural. Picture a serene forest, a tropical paradise, or a dreamy floral design that will create a peaceful and gorgeous atmosphere. 3. Textured wall panels. Get ready to touch and feel. Install textured wall panels to add depth and dimension to your accent wall. You can use materials like reclaimed wood, embossed metal, or 3D wall tiles to create a captivating and tactile surface. 4. Bold color blocking. Make a statement with vibrant color blocking on your accent wall. Choose contrasting or complementary colors and paint large blocks or stripes to create a lively and energetic focal point in the room. 5. Gallery wall. Showcase your personal style by creating a gallery wall as your accent feature. Hang an assortment of framed artwork, photographs, or decorative plates to add personality and charm to your space. 6. Graphic wallpaper. Let your walls speak volumes with bold and eye-catching graphic wallpapers. Choose unique patterns or motifs to instantly transform the ambiance of your room and add a touch of sophistication. 7. Industrial brick or concrete. Embrace the cool industrial vibe by exposing or adding faux brick or concrete to your accent wall. This raw and textured look will bring character and urban style to your space. 8. Metallic finishes. Add a touch of glamour and elegance with metallic accents on your accent wall. Consider metallic paints, wallpapers, or textured foil to create a shimmering effect that will catch everyone's eye. 9. Mirrored wall. Create a sense of spaciousness and brightness with a mirrored wall. Install mirrored tiles or a large floor-to-ceiling mirror for an accent that not only looks great but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your room. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found the information shared here helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, we love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Take care and stay awesome.